TCL TV. The model number is 65S401.
So we have just this little table, and we did put a blanket on it. So the table should be like covering from the bottom of the TV to the top. You can see the edge of the table. The table is more wide than the TV, but it's not longer. That's fine here.
We got these LED lights, and we're going to exchange it to the old LED lights to the new ones. These are the new ones.
Okay.
So we're going to get started.
So we take all the screws.
So if you want to take this out, you like put this butter knife a bit deep to hear that sound. Then you screw up and there. Got it. Okay guys, so when you see this,
That's the little one. We need the little one. So there is two kinds of the screws here. There is a small Phillips that's go on the edge of the screen, and there is a big Phillips head that's go on the holding this cover.
Daddy, I'm taking out the screw.
So you leave the two screws that's holding this metal back cover, the top corner, that's corner over there, and this corner. Because when we flip the TV, we don't want this frame to be apart.
Okay, we are taking it out.
So next we're gonna take the stand holders. This one here.
There?
Yep, you guys start unscrewing this one, and we're gonna unscrew this bar here.
Okay.
Okay, start doing it.
Okay, I'm gonna start. I see it. Where's the trail?
Hold. Yep, keep going.
I did it. That was hard. So we're taking out this first. And then we're taking out another part. Like this hard. I got one.
So
The drill out to
this is how you're gonna fix your TV from home.
But the drills are easy.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. That's how you do it. Okay.
Okay, next.
That one.
Keep going.
Okay, I check. Okay. Okay. I learned it. Okay. So guys, oh, there's a baby.
Yeah. So yeah, that's one. We're gonna use the other Phillips screwdriver.
This is a baby.
Yeah, okay. But so we're gonna skip this one in the corner, and we take all the other ones, and we're gonna leave this one in the corner. So we're gonna leave the four corners. This one here, that's one over there, that's corner, and that's corner, holding the frame with the screen. Okay, you guys?
Can I do this one?
And we're going to take the Wi-Fi.
The back.
So we're going to take these two metal bars that's holding the panel board. So be careful, don't damage this cove, don't make any pressure on them, don't bend them, Just leave them alone. And can you check this one? All right, hold on, wait. So the Wi-Fi card, we take this one here and we unplug it from plug this antenna.
And here.
So this one just we'll leave it here, and we take this one.
Okay, we got it out.
Yes.
So what's
So we are gonna disconnect the two flex cable that's going to the T-con board.
Oh, I want to try one.
Then we're gonna disconnect the backlight here. You see this one's here.
Oh, there's a lot. So I'm going to go over here. Hard.
So all of them are disconnected. Oh, there is ones under this one. So we're gonna need to remove the T-con because there is a plug under it.
And the old ones had to be out. The new one. Right, Dad?
So there is another two connector here. This one and this one. Next.
We're going to take out this.
All right, we start taking carefully.
Carefully. Yeah, we want nothing. We don't want break. Yeah, I was about to say that. Okay, guys. So the hardest part is the screen. My daddy's going to do it because it's hard for me. I may crack it. Yeah, Daddy is the only one because he's a strong.
There is a clips holding this screen panel. You need to get it out. Don't put no pressure on the covers. So we're gonna flip it like this and put a tape on it.
Yeah, so nothing can move.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna do this tape for it. And you may see. Very carefully, guys. Not cracking the screen. Yeah, be careful about anything, guys. So take good. Yeah, so this.
Like the screen a little bit, like
Yeah.
this, slowly.
Like slowly.
Slide your hand.
And don't crack the screen. Yeah, and only parents make do that. But a grown-up if you need help. Okay? So I'm going in the couch. And your daddy is doing that.
All right.
So here is the part. We're gonna take this out. Guys, you got to watch and learn, I said early. You got to take these out because we're gonna fix the TV right now.
And it look clear.
Yeah.
good. Alright, keep recording.
Whoa. You see these
Keep recording.
LED lights? You put them in kids. And then these are all.
Two here. So we put them here by the screen.
Yeah, that's the screen.
Next, we're going to unscrew all these ones.
Wait, can I try?
Yes.
We're going to take these screws to see them. Yeah, from here, and next we're going to take off the shade after that is covering. Okay, guys, watch and learn. Yeah, and I hope you guys subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to subscribe. And if you have any comments, comment below and subscribe to X-Flash. So guys, so we're going to take this sheet off. So these are the LED lights that we have to take out.
So you unscrew the top of the LED strip, then you slide it. So just lift it like a little bit and you slide it this way, then you start. No, you need to look. Yep, then lift it up.
Whoa, how many screws are there? Like too many.
Mm-hmm.
Almost. Like that. Okay guys, so we're only taking the top one, but not like the middle one.
Mm-hmm.
So guys, for the LED light, you just need to take off one screw and you like hold this up and do that. Hey, Daddy, I think I
So you put the LED strip at the first, then you slide it.
Daddy, I'm done doing this one.
Mm-hmm. Like this. Then you put the screw over there.
Okay, guys, these are not like old LED lights. They're new ones, but we don't take the ones because it will take a long time.
Does someone come by the house?
Did
Huh?
yeah, already did. You can see the difference between this. This is the LEDs, the bad ones, and this is the one we installed. This one is more wide, more thick. You see the LEDs? The LEDs lens is more bigger. It's gonna be like the brightness. It will be more better. So let's
what?
let's put this one back.
Yeah, the sheet. So make sure the sheet shows all of these.
Hold on. You can see the holes is not matching. We're gonna need to flip it, guys. You see the holes?
Oh yeah, we need to flip.
All right, flip it. Turn it.
So let's see if you do something.
Yeah, nobody go by the screen.
So now
Okay.
you may see guys.
Yeah. Looks good now, boy?
Yeah.
All right, let's put this next.
The one with these dots.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Now let's get started. I'm gonna get all this out of the way. And well, Daddy,
So all of them in the place.
Yeah, they're all together. I think next is gonna be these. On the screen, we already did the LED lights, and these look like castles.
But first, we're gonna need to test the TV. Let's test it.
That one. Can I? Oh, I can help. Oh, you got it, Amir? Good job.
Be sure that's all the way in.
Well,
So let's try them all.
okay, guys.
Push them all, huh? Try them all.
Guys, so we fixed the TV. Guys, the TV is fixed. It already works. So guys, see you at the end of the video, and subscribe to XOX Fix. Bye. Bye.